So I'm sitting in my room watching a video about all the tactics they use in gang stalking, and immediately there was a helicopter flying over my house. It's like, I don't know how they got there that fast, but it was like in no time. And someone banged on the furnace or something in the basement pretty hard. I'm just tired, but it's interesting to know more details about how these people are just messing with me and my children. It's pretty sick. So just keep us in your prayers, please, because I don't understand why they've been given this much authority over people, but I'm going to continue to just trust in the Lord and keep moving forward.